Hi, I'm Steph from Simplicity Happens, and today we're going to create fall tree clip art in PowerPoint, and this is a great tutorial for teachers and parents. If you're enjoying my videos, please subscribe to the Simplicity Happens channel, and let's get started making our fall tree now. Hello and welcome. Let's get started creating our fall tree. The first thing we're going to do is create the background scene. So let's go up to Insert, Shapes, and select the rectangle. And then draw that out. And we can shape fill this in green and outline in black. Let's copy and paste. Pull this right up. And put this in blue to make the sky. Then we'll pull it down so there's more sky than ground. Next, let's create our tree trunk. So go into Insert Shapes and select the rectangle. We're going to align center. And I'm going to shape fill in a really dark brown color. If you need to find more colors, you can always go into more fill colors, select standard, and you can choose from a bunch of different colors on here. And if you'd like to customize your colors, you can do this. You can toggle up or down to make the color that you select lighter or darker. Next, we're going to create the tree branches. What we'll do first is go into Insert, Shapes, and select the freeform scribble. We're going to actually draw out the tree branch because tree branches have rugged edges. It's best to draw this out. So I'm just going to draw out the tree branch. And then I'm going to shape fill and no outline so that I can put the tree branch around the tree. Next, I'm going to copy and paste the tree branches around the tree. You can make some longer, shorter, skinnier than others. I'm going to rotate some of them horizontally. Oops, to flip them on the other side. All right, so that makes the tree branches. Next, let's make our autumn leaves. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Insert, Shapes, and down under Basic Shapes, we're going to select the teardrop shape. I'm going to draw out the leaf shape, and at this time I'm going to put it in yellow, outline black, and I'm going to do 3 points. Let's go back into Insert Shapes and select the line. Here is where I'm going to connect the line. So I'm going to click and drag from this dot to this dot. And then I'm also going to put this line in a thicker point. So I like 2 1/4 points for that. Then I'm going to group. So once I've created the leaf, might need to tweak the sizing, but I'm going to go ahead and just create a bunch of yellow leaves to put around the tree in different places. Next, I'm going to copy and paste this leaf, and I'm going to make an orange leaf. So find a pretty orange color that you like and start creating your orange leaves to put around the tree. Next, I'm going to create a red leaf, and I might do a deep maroon or dark red color. And then lastly, I'll go ahead and do a brown leaf. All right, and if you want to make a black and white image of the tree as a worksheet or a coloring sheet for your students or children, you'll want to go into the image and select all of the leaves, the background, so the sky, the green ground, and you'll also want to select each part of the tree. At this time, I'm going to do it in increments. So I'm going to go up to Shape Fill. As you can see, I've selected all of the leaves, the background sky and the background grass. So that's perfect. Now, what I'm going to do is go in and select the tree branches. And I've put those in a grayscale because if I put them in white, it's going to mesh in with the background. So I'm going to keep it grayed out for that reason. Okay, so that's how you can make a black and white image for a worksheet or a coloring sheet. So there we have a wonderful tree for the fall season. As you may have noticed, I made some leaves bigger and others smaller. I also changed the colors of some leaves, and I just continued to tweak until I got the tree to where I wanted it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video today with me, and stick around. I'll be back next week with another clip art video. Bye.